Are you smarter than a calc major?
Hi, I'm your host, Isabel Hershey, and welcome to the most revered game show since the $125,000 pyramid. It's...
Are you smarter than a calc major?
Okay. Here are our contestants. What's your name, kid?
I'm Jarod.
Welcome to the show. How are you feeling today?
I'm feeling good, thank you.
That's wonderful. So, what are you here for?
I'd like to win that pass to Calc 5 and jumpstart my master's degree.
Well, that sounds like a pretty good reason to be here. Moving on. How are you?
I'm Keelan, and I'm here to prove that I can do anything.
That's nice. So now that we've gotten to know our contestants, let's go over the rules and start the game. So, here's how to play. 60 seconds on the timer, and on this board, between your two workspaces, a problem will appear. You have that time to work through the problem and get an answer. To get the answer correct, you must circle your answer, put your marker down, and if you're still working when someone else answers, don't stop working. Don't stop working, okay? Because the timer won't stop. And if they're wrong, you will still have a chance to answer before the timer runs out. If both contestants get a question wrong, neither will get a point. The winner is decided by the first contestant to reach 2 points. Is everybody ready?
Yes.
Yes.
All right, let's get started. 60 seconds are on the board, and here is your problem.
Done.
Done. Darn.
Okay, let's take a look at your work. So let's see what you did here. So first, you divided by u in this step right here. Then you find the antiderivative. You plug 1 in and find c. You solve for c. And you get 1/2.
So you're...
1 point for Keelan!
Yippee!
All right, moving on. Moving right along, clear your workspaces and get ready for the next problem. This next problem involves Newton's method. The equation and approximation to 8 decimal places are shown. Your task is, using a calculator, figure out how many approximations it takes to get to the answer when the first guess is 9.
Done.
What?
All right, let's see what you've got here. Check out and see what you've done here. So first, I see you've cubed both sides and subtracted 612. And then you found the derivative, and then you plugged it in to your calculator. You stored originally as the first guess of 9 in your calculator is x. Then you did x minus the original equation over the derivative equation, stored that as x, kept hitting enter until you got the correct answer. And that took approximately 5 approximations. And you are correct!
Oh, thank goodness. I thought I lost my scholarship there.
I'm so proud. Moving along, we've reached our final question. Final question. The problem of all problems. Question of all questions. Answer to understanding the universe. Your time starts now. Go!
Are you smarter than a... No! Are you smarter than a... No! Are you smarter than a... No! Are you smarter than a cow?
All right, let's see here. So first, let's look at what you did. You put the volume equation into terms of x. You plugged it back in and simplified. You took the derivative. You solved for x right over here. Then you plugged it back into the earlier equation and you solved for y. So you now have x and y.
Keelan, you have just won yourself a free pass to Calc 5 and an added bonus $1 million!
Yes! $1 million? I could have just bought my way to Calc 5 with that money. There goes my scholarship.
Yay! That's our show! Tune in again next week to see Mr. Toby and Mr. McKinney battle it out and prove which of them can add better. Here on...
Are you smarter than a calc major? Are you smarter than a... Are you smarter than a... Are you smarter than a... Are you smarter than a calc... Are you smarter than a calc major?